taking the chocolate out from the side. Anne, please take the chocolate out from the side like that. Keep it inside the bowl only. Okay, the chocolate is nicely melted. I'm just going to leave it for another couple of seconds. Are you all with me or anybody behind me?
I'm behind.
Who's behind?
Yeah, just give us a second for the chocolate to be melted.
Mine's
It's not
called
yet done.
Asmita Anita.
Okay, okay. No worries, no worries. I'm with you. We have melted the chocolate. I'm going to take it off the fire now and keep it aside. But I cannot take it off the fire for too long. So I'll have to whisk the cream in. Everybody who has not warmed the cream can put it in directly now. Just give me a minute. Okay, now take a towel and wipe this side. Wipe this bottom. Okay, we don't want water anywhere. So we won't be able to stop because we won't be able to mesh the whole thing together. So I'm just carrying on. I will recap. I will help you out. Don't worry. So the Amul cream, if it's warm, great. If it's not warm, chocolate is hot. It will take care of the cream. So while the chocolate is hot, we will pour the cream in. Don't worry if your cream is not hot. Amul cream, okay? Don't takes everything away and into the bowl. Perfect. We're going to get rid of this. And now we're going to give this chocolate and cream a nice mix. See, I'm just going round, 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 round. See, just round, 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 round. That's it. I'm turning the bowl also. I'm turning the spoon also. And then you take it from the side because you don't want lashes of white and chocolate not coming together. Clean it up. And again, take a round, 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 round. Are you all with me so far? Okay, this is ready. Is everybody ready? Okay, we're going to keep this aside now.
No, miss.
No, miss? Okay, miss. Okay. Again, I will tell you what to do. I will not go fast. Don't worry. What you do is you take your chocolate, put it on the double boiler and melt it till there are no pieces of chocolate in it. Okay, mummies? And put the butter along with the chocolate. The Amul cream, if you've been able to heat it, cool. If you have not, don't worry. The chocolate is very hot. You can just pour 50 grams, which is half cup of Amul cream into the chocolate. And then give it a good whisk till everything blends together. You cannot go wrong in it. So don't worry. Just keep moving the spoon till you blend it all together. Anybody stuck? Can I help anybody? Siddhant, give it a good whisk, beta. Is it boiled? The chocolate is hot? Melted?
Didi, I'm getting some lumps. I'm getting some lumps in the chocolate. Is that okay?
No, then the water has gone in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And see, your double boiler has gone all the way in. It should have been on top of the bowl.
That's fine. That's fine.
Who's talking? Tell me the name.
Asmita.
Asmita. Where are you, Asmita?
Asmita Anita.
Yeah.
Asmita Anita, wait.
Yeah. ऐसे नहीं वो अपने कंप्यूटर पे ये देख रही हूँ मैं देख रही हूँ मैं वहाँ
Can I see Asmita? Can I see? Show me the bowl. Show me the bowl. Yeah, perfect. Lovely, lovely. Very good. Now put the cream in it.
yes
We put the cream in it.
Perfect, lovely. Prisha, are you doing well?
Ma'am, our texture is very different. Like, look at it.
Your water has gone in.
No, there's no water. Actually, I had to put it in the oven. I mean, microwave to heat it.
So did you put too much? Did you put it for how long?
Just a few seconds, and I have already put the Amul cream before.
Into the chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, why did you do that? Okay, now whisk it properly.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Put it back in the micro for 10 seconds and whisk it.
Yeah.
We'll get it, don't worry.
Fine, okay.
Anybody else's start?
See mine.
Hi Vedika, show me.
Ready.
Beautiful.
My chocolate seems to be curdling.
Some water has gone and I said be very careful. Who's this? Prisha.
Yeah.
You should not have put the Amul cream in.
I'm so sorry. It was going on a fast pace. Then I thought, okay, we have to put that also. I just did it.
Sorry about that. Do you have more chocolate? Do you have more chocolate, Prisha's mommy?
Okay.
No, I don't.
Oh dear. Okay. Okay, you know what? Tomorrow you come back online and I'll show you how to do it. You give me a WhatsApp call and I'll take you through it.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss, does mine look okay?
Who is this?
Regardless this, I can do something out of it, right? And it's consumed.
Yeah. We'll work on it later on. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Vedika, lovely. Very nice. Want to move on?
Okay. Thank you.
I think we can.
Excuse me, miss. Is this fine?
Yeah, sorry, something happened. Yes, very nice. Whoever you are. Can't see your name, baby.
Yeah, that's Meenal's daughter, Suhani.
Very nice. Okay, now we are going to move ahead. Leave it to cool. Everybody leave it to cool.
Bua, is that okay? Okay.
Can I take a look?
Oh, 1 minute, I need the camera.
Yeah, good. You got there. Prisha's mommy, I'll come back. I'll teach you tomorrow, don't worry.
Can you mute us?
You cannot put that catch on top of the this, so don't start.
Pragati, please mute yourself.
Huh?
Mute yourself.
Pragati, mute yourself.
Vedika, can you mute?
Okay, let's get to the one pot noodle. Quickly, guys, come on. All your ingredients are ready?
For noodles?
Yes, now noodles. That is cooling. The chocolate is cooling. We'll work on it little later. We'll first start the noodles, make it start cooking, then we'll go back to the chocolate. You have your pan on the fire now? Give a thumbs up, everybody. Give a thumbs up on chat. Okay, the pan is on fire. We are going to put a little bit of oil, very little bit, normal vegetable oil, okay? Now, take a look over here. This is my stock water.
Hi, Mama. I'm here.
Hi, Godia.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi,
Love you.
good. Hi. Love you. Okay, show the stock water. This is the stock water. This is our paste of galangal, lemongrass, celery, and garlic, black pepper. Okay, this is our paste. Now we've put a little bit of water in this. If your paste has too much fiber, put a little bit of water, about 2-3 tablespoons of water, and then while putting it, we will strain it like that. If your paste of lemongrass, galangal, garlic, etc. has too much fiber, like too much roughage in it, too many things in it, it should be a fine paste. If it is not a fine paste, listen to me first. If it is not a fine paste, put about 2-3 tablespoons of water and keep it aside. And keep a strainer aside. We will strain it and put it. Okay?
Aparna?
Yeah.
Sorry, our paste looks like this, like a red Thai curry paste.
Perfect. It should not have fiber. If it is pasty, it is even better. Don't worry about it.
Bhabhi, excuse me, can you repeat what you said after putting the 2 tablespoons of oil?
Nothing. We've got the paste of galangal and all ready. If it is
What
got
is-
too much fiber,
What is this paste, Bhabhi? I have not got it ready. I'll just get it done. I've skipped that point.
I had told you, make a paste of garlic, garlic, celery, lemongrass, galangal, black pepper. Make a paste and keep it ready. Quickly just put it in a mixie and make it a paste. Okay, we are moving on. So now in this, I'm going to first put, this is Szechuan peppers. If you don't have it, no issue. But if you have it, this pepper numbs your tongue. It's not spicy, but it gives you little num points in your tongue, like your tongue can't feel the taste. So you have to stir fry it really, really well. Okay. So now I'm going to stir fry this. Meanwhile, Kechi Dena. Meanwhile, huh?
Sorry,
Yes.
I think there's some confusion. Basically, on the list, it said blend the following ingredients together. So even the Szechuan peppers, we put that also in the paste.
Don't worry. There is nothing wrong in doing anything like that. Don't worry. It's okay. So we, in any case, put the entire paste in oil and we're going to give it a good stir fry. Okay, these are the chilies. I'm just going to cut them. These are the Byadgi chilies. If you have Kashmiri chilies, you please work with Kashmiri chilies. Not an issue. There is nothing wrong and right about food. You can do what the hell you like and get away with it. But this was my taste. Fine. What's there to? What's wrong with that? This is the taste I want. Sorry for the language, people. Okay. This is we're just going to give it a little bit of a stir fry. This is the paste. This is Mathania chilies, which I call from Jodhpur. It's available on Amazon. It's a very nice, mildly spicy chili and gives a lovely color. But if you have Kashmiri paste or if you have put all the chilies in your galangal paste, it is fine. There is nothing wrong with that. So this I normally mix with water and freeze it and keep using as and when I like. So we put, at the moment we put the Szechuan, we put the Byadgi pieces, and now we're going to put the Mathania. Great. This is going to keep frying in between every ingredient. We are going to give it a good fry. Okay. Now, this is the galangal paste. Now, like I said, I put little water to show you that if your paste has got too much fiber, you can put a little bit of water and put it through the, see, this is leftover. Even I don't like, sometimes the fiber comes and kids don't like it. So it's always good to put it through water. You'll get the flavors, don't worry. Everyone is following me so far?
Bhabhi, just see, this is the paste. If you can see it, just show it.
Anika or Divya?
Bhabhi, both of us are here.
Yeah, no, I'm saying the computer should be a name of Anika or Divya.
It's Anika.
Anika.
Is this
Madhur, just take a look. No, please, Anika.
Put it down a bit.
Quickly, please. Quickly. Show me fast, Anika.
something?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Put it in the
Bhabhi, we just
oil.
strain this into the gas, right? Into the
Sorry?
pan. We strain
oil,
this
put
into
it
the pan
fast.
straight, Bhabhi. Yeah.
Put it directly into the pan. Your paste is nice. Don't bother to strain it.
Asmita, Anita wants to say something.
Yes.
मैम सेजवान सॉस के बाद में ये वेजिटेबल स्टॉक डालना है.
अभी आप कुछ मत डालिए. अभी हम लोग साथ में डालेंगे. अभी आप खाली ऑयल डालिए और galangal paste डालिए और चिलीज डालिए बस.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Do we have to put the leftover paste जो छना हुआ है वो भी अंदर डाल दे?
Yeah, if it is not too fibrous, put it.
Okay, नीमा डाल.
Okay. Now we have put everything. प्याज व्याज. Okay. Now we are going to put the onions. Like I said, we have watered the onions and removed the peels. In it goes capsicum, and the onion white only. We're not putting the green yet. And mushroom we'll put in the end. Don't do the mushroom right now. Okay. Stir. Mushroom cooks very fast, so we'll put it in the end. Otherwise, you'll just get pulpal mushroom over here.
What should we do for the mushrooms?
Leave it. We'll put it later, beta.
Okay. And the noodles? What should we do with the noodles?
Bas, now get your noodles ready. Get your entire three-fourth packet kacha noodles ready.
Yes.
Okay, this is my 3/4 packet kacha noodles. I don't want to break it too much. Just break it little bit. And because we don't want the noodles to go slop, right? So this is it.
Hey, sorry, Apuji, you didn't add mushrooms to this, did you? No.
Not yet.
Okay.
That's my 3/4 packet kacha noodles inside. Okay. Everybody good?
No, Benjamin, we are doing.
Add it. No problem. Keep your sauces ready, people. Arun is talking. Don't get flustered. I am here. I will help you. Nothing is going to go wrong. Take it easy. Take it light. I am here. We are all going to work together. Just keep your pan on low fire so you don't burn anything. That's all. इसको 5 मिनट ठंडा फ्रिज में रख. Can I help you?
Can you put the boiled noodles?
No, kacha noodles.
Okay. So no boiled noodles at all, or it's later on?
No. Boiled noodles we are using later on for garnish. These noodles have to be kacha. I specifically written on this thing ingredient list.
Bhabhi, do we have to put on stock water now?
No, I will tell you, then you do. Let everybody be ready. Everybody is ready to put the stock water?
That's mixing it, Benjamin.
Okay, so now we're going to put the stock water 1 cup at a time. Okay, see, this is a cup, 1 full cup. This is my stock water. We're going to put 1 cup. We're going to put 2 cups. Now, after 2 cups, if you run out of stock water, please use plain water. Plain water, no problem. Okay. If you run out of stock water, you can use plain water.
Stock water and plain water.
No, if you have 2.5 cups of stock water, cool. If you don't have, use as much stock water as you have. Remaining, use plain water. So we need in total 2.5 cups.
But Dimash, it's okay.
And see, this is how it should look, okay? This is how it should look. Your noodles are totally submerged in it, totally drowned.
Stock dala nahi hai na. This is just
Okay? My fire is on sim right now, it's very low. Now let's add the sauces.
Can you check mine without the stock water? Anika, can you check?
Who's this kid? Please give your name when you say that.
Anika Samani.
Anika Somani. Yes, so Anika, it's very good. Now add the stock water, 2.5 cups. See how much water I've added? Everything is submerged. You might need to add a little more, a little less. It's up to how much you've made over here. Ready? Now you're going to put the soya sauce. We have 1 tablespoon.
No, miss.
Okay. No miss. Okay. Okay now? Chalo, chalo, come on, little hurrying up has to be done. So now 1 tablespoon. Mummies, please make a note. You can help them along. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. It can be light soya, dark soya. It doesn't matter. Soya sauce has a lot of salt, so we're going to put the salt a little later on while tasting. This is chili sauce. Any chili sauce is good, green or red. We're going to put 1 tablespoon. You want to make it spicier, you can add a little bit more of the chili sauce. This is vinegar. You can also do normal vinegar. Okay, you don't have to do white wine vinegar. So if it is whatever vinegar you're adding, this is half a teaspoon. Okay, so we're going to do half a teaspoon of vinegar. Do not put too much vinegar, it will become very sour. There, half a teaspoon is enough. All right, now we're going to do Szechuan sauce. So again, 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. I'm sure. Any Szechuan sauce is okay. This one is available in my local store. So I buy this one, I quite like it. Again, you want a little spicy, add a little bit more Szechuan sauce. Those who don't want spicy, add half of what I'm saying, but do add. It's not so spicy. Add half of what I'm saying. Now bring up your temperature to medium heat. Now we're going to add aromat powder. If you don't have aromat powder, you can add a pinch of Ajinomoto. If you don't have either, it is fine. Here is the aromat powder. I'm going to dilute it a little bit with water. Now aromat powder also has a lot of salt. So be careful of how much salt you put. We will put salt only after tasting.
Yes, what do we need if we don't have aromatic powder?
If you have Ajinomoto, put that. If you don't have Ajinomoto, no issues. Don't worry about it.
You put about 1 tablespoon, Apuji.
No, 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, okay.
Yeah. Please dilute it because it gets a little lumpy. So dilute it. It will still be a little lumpy, but that's okay. Less lumpy than what it would have been without diluting it. When it touches the heat of the pan, it will start melting. Okay, I think we've covered everything. Let me check. Ketchup. So another tablespoon of ketchup. Ketchup will make it a little sweet, but it also gives it a lovely color, and it has corn flour, so it thickens it a bit. So another tablespoon of ketchup. Great. We are good to go. अरुण ये सब हटा दो यहाँ से सारा हटा दो aromat से हटा दो. All right, give it a good stir. We'll check the salt later on. Now we want to boil it, so we are going to put a lid on it and leave it to boil. Perfect. No, now we're going to work with the melted chocolate. Come. Don't have to put in fridge with nothing. Keep a little water handy. If for some reason you put a little less water in this, it dries up, we'll put a little more water. We want a soupy consistency. We don't want a dry noodle.
What about the red pepper?
You can put it with the green pepper.
Oh, okay. I didn't.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can put it now also, no problem. Nothing wrong with that. Put it now. Just the mushroom we will put a little later. So I had told you about my dehydrated mushroom warmed in, soaked in hot water so that it becomes big and fluffy. It actually comes like this. Radhika, it actually comes like this. When you put it in hot water for half an hour, it becomes this big. There are different types of dried mushrooms. Some are only wood here, some are button, some are porcini. You can buy what you like. This company does very good Chennab Gourmet.
Sorry, have you already added the corn flour mix?
No. That in the end. Ekdam in the end.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm just cutting the mushroom and putting it in now so that we are done with it. Because if any case dehydrated, it needs to cook a little bit. Otherwise, it'll taste very. Kana, can you please pay attention? It taste very kacha. Squeeze it out and that's it. Big
Is it
pieces.
either dehydrated or fresh mushrooms, or we have to use both?
No, I'm going to use both. My fresh mushrooms will come in later on in the end. Just put it in. See, the noodles are cooking very gently. The more gently it cooks, the more flavor it will catch. The faster you cook it, the less flavor it will catch. But that's okay. If you're in a hurry, you can cook it fast also. Now, can we whisk the cream? I want the cream, Madhur. Whisk it with me. I just want the cream. Okay, we have the cream here. Can Arun, ye le jao, please. Ye le jao.
Is this the whipping cream?
This is now the rich whipping cream or whichever whipping cream you have. We are going to whip this and add it to our chocolate. Now, is everybody ready? I can wait otherwise.
Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yep, we'll wait. No problem.
Thank
I
you.
want to bring it this side, Tanay, because the wire is not. Everybody who's ready, keep your whisk ready. You have the hand whisk, the same one, but the hand machine, keep it ready. Keep your bowl of whipping cream ready.
I have a question about my chocolate.
Yes.
It's turned out like a bit lumpy
Who's
after
this?
Avika.
Yeah.
So after I
Avika.
mixed the cream, I like saw the lumps because when it was just the chocolate, I didn't see the lumps. So should I heat it with the cream again, like in a microwave?
Try it, but if it's become lumpy, meaning water has gone in. So those
I've
whose
not
chocolates
used
have
any water, like
no, but the steam sometimes it's just, your water from your hand can go in, or a little bit of the steam will go in, and that's it. Chocolate will seize. How's Tracy's baby doing? Good. Okay, we're going to start with the cream now.
How much whipping cream do we use? My name is Jaden.
Okay, so Brayden.
Jaden Desmond Hendricks.
You need to use half plus 1/4. So that's 3/4 cup of whipping cream. Half plus 1/4, which is 3/4 cup of whipping cream.
Masi,
Yes.
Masi, is this fine? Wait.
It become like this.
Deepra, lift it and show it to me. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. At the moment, it's fine. Okay, we are going to whip the cream. We have this ready. First, we will start at slow pace. Always remember, when you're whisking something to give it body and let air in, what we are doing is letting air into this cream, right? Air. Now, every time we want to give air to something, we have to whisk it only in one direction. Either you can go right to left or left to right. But in the middle of this, do not make it right to left or left to right. We are putting air in it. The minute we turn it the other way, the air will go out. So I'm going to go left to right and keep going left to right. When I'm going left to right with this, I'm also moving my bowl. Can you show it here? I'm also moving my bowl left to right. So I'm going left to right, moving my bowl also left to right. You cannot move, if you cannot move your bowl, don't worry about it. If you can, very good. If you cannot move your bowl, you will go left to right, stop for a second, turn the bowl. Left to right, step for a second, turn the bowl. I'm doing it now.
Miss, my noodles are sticking. What should I do?
Add little water.
Okay.
If you don't have stock water, add plain water.
Alright.
And keep your fire in very slow sim. Okay, quickly now because the noodles will keep cooking and we need to get back to the noodles. Chalo, starting. Left to right only or right to left only. Do not change the direction in the middle. Now increase the speed of your whisk. It's becoming thicker now. Take it to maximum speed. Has everybody got this soft peak? See, when I lift the whisk, this is what comes.
Yeah, we हम लोग का फट गया. We trying it again.
Oh dear. Okay. You're not using rich cream, kya?
No, we're using L and Word.
Ellen, what is it not cold?
It's cold.
Then it should not photo. You might have whisked it too fast.
Yeah, maybe. We'll do it again.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We are ready now with the cream. So, this thing is a little hard to remove. Aruni, nikal do, please. So now we just do this and leave it. Now we don't need a whisk anymore. You can remove it. Now we have the chocolate. If your noodles you feel are cooking, add a little bit of water and leave it. And reduce the heat to ekdam slow. Okay. Do you want to go back to the noodles for a second and add the other stuff into it? Because I think my noodles are nicely cooked. See.
This is Anika. Here, can you check my noodles?
Yes, sure. I'm just going to add a little water to my noodles because I wanted to cook a little bit more and shut it.
Aparna,
Yes.
the cream is becoming very thin. It's not thickening.
Which cream are you using?
The whipping cream, Sunrise.
Should become, is it chilled?
Sunwhip.
Is it chilled?
It's chilled. It's almost frozen.
It's almost frozen, then let it thaw a little bit and then do it.
Okay. I'm using a hand churner. Could that be why?
Okay, see, Vedika Parekh is doing a good job. She's churning it with the hand. Yeah, it'll take a little bit of time, Vedika, and keep moving it. Move the whisk around the bowl. Little to the left, little to the right. Like that, keep moving in a circular pattern. Very good. Yes, that's the way to do it. Excellent. Vedika, it'll take a little time, but it's okay. Okay, where's everybody? Siddhant seems to have done his cream. Excellent, Siddhant. Suvida is ready with the cream, I believe. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Everywhere, excellent.
Excuse me, chef. Excuse me.
Yes.
Is my cream okay?
Name.
Parnika Agarwal.
Yes, Parnika, it's good. It's good.
Is our
Okay,
cream
thank you.
fine?
Who name?
Asmita, Anita.
And Asmita, Anita, can I see the cream? Yes. Lift it from the spatula and show me. Little more if you whisk it will be nice. Little more, just 2-3 rounds more.
Okay. Hey, Appu Gigi, Dipti and Arya.
Yes.
This is fine, right?
Perfect, Dipti.
Thank you.
Avika. Is mine okay?
Avika, show me. Yeah, it's good.
Hi, this is Sachi. Can you just check if the whipped cream is?
Where is Sachi? Oh, no. Say hi to me, Sachi, somewhere. Sorry, I'm
Can you
not
just
showing.
show how yours looks? Can you just show what your whipped cream
Ah,
looks
Sachi,
like?
show me, Sachi. I found you. Yep, it's
Yeah.
good, Sachi. It's good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's get back to the noodles for a minute, please, because otherwise the noodles will overboil. Who's mine? Yes, Braden, very nice. Excellent.
Anna, the cream is still very liquidy. It's like a dosa batter.
Who's this?
Pooja, Vedika Pare.
You have to do it a little bit more. Thoda karo aur.
It's like a dosa batter, boss.
I know, you have to do. हाँ, ये इसमें time लगता है. Okay, try and use a hand blender. See if it works with that. Just see that your hand blender is clean. It doesn't have any soup or any fibers in it.
It's this
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, keep moving. Keep moving to the left to right like that with the hand blend.
Is this better? Asmita,
Who's this? Asmita, Anita. Yes, better. Okay, we're going back to the noodles for a minute. Everybody drop your cream.
Pariman says Anita looking, you should check my noodles.
Okay, we're going back to the noodles now. Come on fastly, please, because the noodles will overboil. Put your mushroom in the noodles. Put your mushroom in the noodles. These mushrooms are going into the noodles now. All right. The green of the onion is going in now. Okay. And now we're going to put a little bit of corn flour. So take a bowl.
What's the green thing you just put? What's
The green onion, the green part of the green onion.
Okay.
If you've already put it, don't worry about it. Now take a nice heaping teaspoon of corn flour. Put it in the bowl. And put cold to room temperature water. Do not put hot water, okay? And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of water and nicely give it a mix. No lumps should remain. Do not put the corn flour powder directly in the hot bubbling noodles. It will not melt and give you little pieces of corn flour which will taste terrible. This is 1 heaping teaspoon of corn flour in 2 tablespoons of water.
Masi, how much corn flour do we have to put?
1 heaping teaspoon, so much. Okay? Or if you want to measure it with half a tablespoon or something. To about 2 tablespoons of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a good mix, no lump should remain. Now your noodles, when you're putting the corn flour, should be boiling. Okay? There you go. See that the noodles are boiling. I'm going to now the corn flour. When I'm putting the corn flour, I keep stirring it gently, like that way. Everybody with me? I'm putting the corn flour in now. See, a little bit of corn flour is left behind. I'm going to put a little bit more water and dilute and just see that it's, and in it goes. My bowl is clean now. Give it a whisk.
Which noodles have you used? My noodles are really thick. The Ching's egg one.
Don't worry. I make is different. I'll show you the noodles I get from Chenab Gourmet. I love those noodles. They are Meshi Japanese noodles. You also get Indonesian Hakka noodles. So every noodle is different. Every company is different. Now, if your broth has not become thick, so that's the one we have used. When your broth will become a little thick, your soupy noodles are ready. I think we put everything in it, right? Yep. Just give it a good boil after you put the. 1 second, hold on. Give it a good boil after you put the corn flour. Mushrooms have gone in. Everything has gone in. Now tell me what were you saying?
This is Asmita. Is it fine?
I'm just seeing Asmita. 1 second, where Asmita? Yeah, it's good. Very good, Asmita. Okay, now can you see the noodles boiling a bit? Okay, now we are going to take it off the fire and keep it aside to eat, garnish and eat later on. Till then, we will finish the chocolate mousse. It is going off the fire. My fire is shut. I'm closing it and I'm keeping it away.
And when do we put the maida?
Wait. Hold on. We will put the maida also.
Sorry.
Now we've got the boiled noodles. Show it here. We've got the boiled noodles.
Our noodles are pretty dry anyway, so do I have to add the corn flour because there's nothing to thicken?
Then don't add the corn flour. But you can, if you want it a little soupy, add a little bit more water and let it cook.
Okay.
And
Okay, everybody, this is your boiled noodles.
No, again you changed it and you changed the direction also.
Okay, boiled noodles, people. Now we are going to take a little bit of the maida, just lay that in the hand, sprinkle it, and toss it in like that. Okay. I'll show you magic with these noodles very soon. That's it, not more. Okay. Cool. Now, we leave it aside for the moment. We'll get back to our chocolate mousse because we want it to chill a little bit. Yeah, we have chocolate mousse and we have the cream. Okay, this is your chocolate. Thoda sa, it will get a film over it like a malai. So just give it a good whisk. Yes. Now, Vedika, I think you need something to check. Just show me. Where's Vedika? Oh, Vedika Parekh, is it happening?
It's thickening, but there are no stiff peaks.
Okay, so if it's thickening, don't worry, keep at it. Keep at it. And you can wait on the Zoom call. We'll finish the noodles with you. Don't worry. Okay. Can you show me now, Vedika, once how much is thickened?
Just show her your
Lift it and show. No, lift it with a spoon so I can see the peaks. Oh, you're good. Just another couple of whisks and you're good.
Keep at it.
Hi,
Okay,
this is
now-
Sachi. Can you just see my chocolate consistency become really thick?
Okay, so just put it in the micro for 10 seconds.
Okay, fine.
Okay. I'm waiting for you all.
Chef Apu, when we whisk the cream and we leave it out for some time, will it go down? Will it settle down again?
Yes. You have
You have
to.
to keep it in the fridge?
Yes, but we are working on it now, so don't worry.
Okay. thank
Okay, now everybody take a look. We're taking a little bit of the cream. We're putting it in the chocolate.
Your camera is off.
My camera is off? No, I'm good.
We can see you.
Okay. So a little bit of just take a little bit of the cream like that, put it in the chocolate. Now everybody knows how to do 8, right? Figure of 8. So put your spatula in the middle of the cream and go 8. 8. Okay? You don't have to wait for the entire cream to bend in. We'll do that much later on. 8. That's it. Leave it now. Take another lot of cream. Spatula in the middle of the cream or a spoon and 8. Cool. Take the sides, put it inside, more cream, your last bit of cream, okay? There. And 8. Oh, you know what? We forgot to add the coffee in all this hurry. So we'll add a little bit of coffee. Anybody wants to add coffee or rum, we can do it now. Not an issue.
A question. So, how much
Yeah.
coffee do you use?
Yes,
like,
I will tell you.
water
I
do
will
you
tell
add?
you. Take a bowl. Oh, well, I want a bowl. Take a bowl. Take a spoon of coffee. If you don't want it very dark, take less. You want it light. The more dark is on you. Put the coffee in it.
One side mix
About
करो आप.
half a teaspoon. Take a little water, preferably little hot water, but now we can't do hot water because we forgot to do it in the middle. Dilute. Dilute. And add. I'm going to add some alcohol instead of coffee. So I'm going to add exactly that much alcohol. That's it. Okay. Now don't get worried. It's showing liquid, liquid. Don't worry. We are still going in a figure of 8. It'll all get taken in later on.
You have to mix all the cream.
Yeah, all 180,
Did you
150
add
grams,
more-
right?
Did you add more cream?
No, I added my entire lot in 3 batches. Okay, now I'll show you another way to do it. See, you cut, fold, cut,
Other time इधर करते हो, other time इधर.
fold. Are you all seeing this? This is another way to do it. Cut. Be very light in your fingers. We don't want the entire mousse to collapse into a dense mass. Okay, we want a very light, nice mousse. So cut, fold. Again cut. Take this whole thing around like this. Bring it up and bring it down. Fold. All right. Cut. Fold. Very light, gentle hands, please.
Can we like whisk it in with the...
No, 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 no.
Got a little thin.
This is a dessert. It's not a curry. We need it nice and light and halka and airy and like that way.
Excuse me?
Yes.
We are Asmita and Anita, but ours became really thin.
No problem. No problem. Once you chill it, it'll become thick.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, the mousse is ready. Can you see? I'm just cleaning the sides. Now, ideally, I would like to refrigerate this before I serve it. So if you make it, if for the evening, it's good to make it for in the morning or one day in advance. But I'm going to serve it to you now in those bowls. Can you show him? Yeah. There. I'm going to show it once more. You can use any bowl you like. You can just set it in a bowl. You can set it in this big bowl also and let people dig in from there like a big pudding. So you can do that also, no problem. Anybody who is falling behind can stay back after the Zoom. We won't end the session and I'll help you out. It's tasty, guys. I tasted it.
How long do we chill it?
You can, so like I said, if you want to serve it in the evening, chill it at least 3-4 hours before you must chill. And Asmita Anita has become very thin, so usko to aap 4-5 ghanta chill kariye. And if it is little thin, not to worry. Next time when you're making, message me, I'll tell you where you went wrong. If you keep a record of what you did today.
Chef, if you just put this in the bowl in the fridge, will this become hard? This
Yeah,
mousse?
no, it won't become hard, but it will become harder.
Then how do you bring it back to the consistency when you want to serve?
No, you just give it a whisk, it will come back. It's like ice cream. It's like ice cream. But it doesn't become as hard as ice cream. It doesn't freeze unless you freeze it, of course. It remains soft, but it becomes a little, how like butter, no? Like that way.
And for how many days can you save this in the fridge?
This 3-4 days aram se. If you keep it nicely cling filmed or packed in a box and no other flavor goes in, 4 days aram se. In a fridge, but. Okay, we are good with the this thing. I'm going to show you garnish.
Okay.
I have olive oil. Please mute yourself, somebody. I have olive oil. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil, Tane. Just a little bit. It's good, pure, extra virgin olive oil, though. Huh? Don't take any general olive oil. And I have some flaky salt. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the flaky salt. That's it. I mean, it sounds terrible when I say olive oil and mousse, but it really goes very well. But I've given you a whole list of garnishes which you can work on. Okay, mousse is done. Arun, ये ले जाओ please आप. और ये दोनों को फ्रिज में रख दो. ये मैदा हटाओ, ये सब हटाओ यहाँ से. Okay, we're going to work with the boiled noodles. Please put your kadhai on. This is your, I cannot put a kadhai in my induction. So put a kadhai, small kadhai on and put oil in it. While this is getting hot, would we like to taste the salt in the noodles, please? Yes, we should taste the salt in the noodles. Where are my spoons? Just taste a little bit of the gravy, you will get the salt taste. The salt is definitely less. Yeah.
Parimal sir, Anika, can you please repeat what you did?
Can I what? Okay, I tasted the salt. I'm just going to put a little pinch because you have to see how much salt you need. Okay. And now we are ready with the noodles. Noodles ka bol de de. But one garnish is left, which is getting done now. Hi, Kanak.
Bobby, in the for frying, how much oil did we?
Hi, Mama.
As much as you would need to say fry, like shallow fry, not deep fry.
Shallow
you
fry.
Can turn it around. Huh? Matlab, it should. Itna to kadhai should get filled. Itna.
Because Bobby, I'm doing it in a kadhai, so I just was a little confused. I don't have that pan to do it.
हाँ तो कढ़ाई में करो. I want you to do it in a कढ़ाई. Let's say, what do I say? Pakoda, छोटे pakode should go in.
Okay.
Mom, say hi to Miso and Fergie. They're also watching.
Hi, Miso and Fergie. That's my daughter, guys. She's in the US with very cute dog called Miso. So your noodles are ready, which has been tossed in the maida, okay? And we are waiting for the oil to become really, really hot. A plate, paper. Keep a plate lined with a paper towel or a paper tissue for the noodles to fry and come out. Paper. Sorry, it's taking a little bit of time, but it will happen. Don't worry about it. You all have sesame oil ready? If you don't have, it's not an issue, but just give a lovely flavor, that's all.
What was that oil?
Sesame oil. It gives a nice Chinese flavor, that's all. Otherwise, there's no really need for it.
Aparna, sorry, the oil in right now, the large quantity is olive oil?
No, I put normal vegetable oil.
Normal oil, okay.
Yeah, I'm going to test if it is getting done.
Okay.
So it should sizzle immediately. It's not sizzling immediately, meaning the it is still not hot enough. The oil should be nice and hot. Then you put a small piece of the noodles in, it should sizzle immediately. Sorry, this is taking a little bit of time, but I want to show you everything. Meanwhile, why don't we dish the noodles? We can dish the noodles. Get your dishes out for the noodles. Yeah. So just give it a good mix so that everything mixes together and put it in a plate. Okay. Take a little bit of the juice also. The juice will come along, but you can take more if you like. Here you go.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Can you just finish the class?
Huh?
When I said
Somebody please mute yourself. Somebody's this thing. Depia, please mute everybody.
Thank you.
Neha, please mute everybody. Thank you. Okay. Normally I don't use so many paper towels. Just letting you know, we try to be eco-friendly. So we're going to add a dash of the sesame oil because it gives a nice Chinese flavor. Just a dash. Okay.
Aparna, we're just frying the 1/4 remaining noodles, right?
We're frying just the 1/4 remaining boiled noodles.
Boiled noodles?
Yeah, those 1/4 noodles have to be boiled.
Oh,
I messaged it. If it's not boiled, it will not work. Huh?
Okay, okay.
Okay, this is the sesame seed garnish I've kept ready. We'll do it later on. Now my, I think my oil is hot. I'm just going to try it with a small piece of noodles. Yep, see, it's sizzling immediately. See, as soon as I put it, I'm putting it again. It's sizzling. So now I'm going to just lift these noodles so that the maida doesn't go in. Spread it. If your kadhai is got enough oil, it will all go in together, or you might have to turn it. This is your fried noodles, guys. What you get in restaurants. Let it fry, don't worry about it. Give it a good, it should become nice and brown. See, the whole thing has become a mass now. We'll start. Everybody is with me now, or anybody lagging behind? Can I answer some questions, please, till this is frying? One at a time, ask me questions.
Bariman Stanika, I heard we have to put the sesame seeds before putting the noodles, right?
Repeat.
We have to put the sesame seeds before putting the noodles or after putting the noodles?
That's completely on you, not an issue. You can do it any way you like. You want to show more of the noodles, then that goes right on top. You want to show more of the sesame seed, then that goes more on top. Okay, I'm turning it. Be careful. This thing will splatter, so be careful, guys. Because the noodles have water in it, it will splatter. Be careful.
Bua, my noodles are orange.
Turned orange?
Yeah.
Yes, it will. Once it burns, it will turn orange. Show me. Yeah, perfect. Take it out of the fire now. It should be nice and crisp. Take it out. I can't put a kadhai on this induction. Therefore, my noodle will take a little bit more time than yours. It's supposed to become brown and orange, okay? And kadak, hard, like fried noodles which you eat in restaurants. Any questions? Ask me now. Take it out of the fire. Take it off the fire now. Fast, fast. It'll burn otherwise.
It's out of the fire. It's burnt already.
Arey, take it out then of the kadhai, baby. Take it out of the oil. Put it in that plate which we have with the lined paper plate.
Abu Masi.
See, I have a plate here lined with paper.
Abu Masi.
Yes, Ushki.
Yeah, this is fine.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Everybody, please see Anushka's. See how mine has also become golden now. Golden and orange. Take it off the fire as soon as it becomes this way, okay? I'm going to now take it out into the paper plate. Into the paper line plate. That's it. My garnish is ready. Arun, ye dheere se le ja. Can I just move a bit? Okay, now we garnish. Now you can put the sesame seed on full and then put the noodles on, or whichever way you like. It's on you. This is your wish, your food, your wish. So I'm just going to take a little bit of these noodles and put it over here on one side, like that way, and this all over like that way. The sesame oil has already gone in. On top of this, you can put more white and green chopped onions if you like to give it more color. And your dish is ready, guys.
Wow. So this meeting gets over at 12:30. If anybody has any doubts, we can set up another ID. Should we do that? Or you think we'll finish in like 10
Can I
minutes?
show you the noodles? See.
Oh.
Please check your salt, okay? Check your salt. Yes, Priya. Anybody has questions? We have time. We can answer it now. Come, I am available now. Prisha, did you finally manage the chocolate mousse, or you want to go through it again with me later on?
Bhabhi, something wrong with my noodles for frying. It didn't fry only. It was boiled noodles put it, no, Bhabhi? And the
boiled noodles, but did you sprinkle maida in it?
I think maida I left, so that maida I didn't put it. Yeah, and then Bhabhi, I put maida in that. No, we had.
So then it should. Then there's no reason it should not fry. Everybody else.
Something went wrong. I'll try that again.
Try it again. In normal oil you put, no?
Excuse me, Chef Appu.
Normal oil.
Yes.
I put my chocolate mousse in the fridge. This is how it looks.
Who's this child? Give me name.
Asmita Anita.
Nice, very nice. I can still see you all. Don't worry. I just shut that video because it's on the other phone. Anybody else needs any help? Prisha, can I help you?
Chef Appu, this is Devpriya here.
Yes.
Our cream got totally fad gaya pura. So could you kindly tell us where to get rich cream from? We're not able to source it.
Just take some from me.
Okay.
Because I
Alright.
think they give only institutional, so just take some from me.
Yeah.
I'll ask them also where they give it, where they supply.
Yeah, because we
They-
tried Ellenware. We tried it 3 times. All 3 times.
I think
fad.
Elevere is a good cream, but it must be a spoiled batch or
Yeah, I
something.
think it's a spoiled batch. Yeah.
Yeah, Drayden, are you good? Can I see your stuff? Oh wow! You can also put fresh mangoes or lychees on your mousse, you know. Or you can put ice cream. Very nice, Drayden.
Chef Appu,
Yes, who's this name, please?
Prisha's mom.
Whose mom?
Prisha's mom.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see 3 glasses of ready chocolate mousse with garnish of
Yes, lovely.
mango and some roasted dry fruits?
Nice. Good idea.
Lovely,
Nice,
lovely.
lovely.
Yeah,
lovely.
yeah. So
Please
I
put
mean,
up pictures.
after putting the cream, it turned out to be a little better and taste amazing. I'm going
Okay.
to try out with new chocolate tomorrow, and have consistency and texture. But right now, we have done some jhol and we've got this
Good. Jhol is always good. We work with jhol. Don't worry.
Yeah. So now I can freeze it up, right? I don't have to refrigerate it.
No, refrigerate. Don't freeze it.
No freezing. Only refrigerate.
Cover it with the lid and refrigerate it. But next time the garnish, put only when you're about to eat it.
Ah, okay.
Because now your roasted nuts will get a little soggy and your mango will start looking a little black.
Ah, okay. Thank you for that insight.
Okay. Anybody else?
We are done.
Who's we?
Dipti and Arya. This is our noodle.
Yeah.
And we're going to
Nice.
eat now.
Nice.
Wow.
Anybody? Any problem?
Hello
Jaden, can I
there.
see your noodles?
We are done. These are noodles. I just have to put the fried noodles. And this is
Name.
Suhani and Neenal.
Yeah, nice one. That's a mousse, is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
The
this
mousse.
is
Nice.
fine. Are these
Who's-
noodles fine?
Name. Yeah, show me. Oh, looks nice, yeah. Looks very nice. Lovely.
So
Very nice.
tempting. I want to eat it when it's on the pan. It's that tempting.
Everybody, sorry, say that again, Asmita.
It's so tempting. I want to eat it from the pan.
Go for it.
Everybody, please put their photos up in the group. So it'll be exciting for us. We'll show it to Chef Appu will see it, and we'll show it to Man also. And
Anybody else? Anything? Can I help you?
Hello, my name is Brayden.
Mummy, hi.
This is my chocolate mousse.
Oh,
I'm
so cute.
covering it with chocolate shaving.
Very nice. Wow.
Excuse me, I'm Anita Asmita. And how to garnish the noodles?
You can. You've roasted sesame seeds.
What?
The white and black sesame seeds you've roasted.
Yes. Yeah.
So put that and put a little bit of your fried noodles and eat it.
Okay.
Nice. Wow. Is it nice? Arey, where ka wrong camera? Yeah.
Chef, is my noodles okay?
Name.
Parnika Agarwal.
Yes, lovely. Oh, nice. Very nice. I hope you enjoy it.
Rekha, Dua, is that this nice? Nice.
Where is Sid?
Yes.
Nice, Sid. Very nice. Garnish it nicely. You all can use green onions also to garnish it.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody, any more questions? Can we say bye-bye?
Avika, this is how my mousse looks.
Nice, Avika. Oh, very nice. Avika, very nice.
Avika.
Asmita, this is how my
Lovely. Very nice. Enjoy it.
Anybody,
Asmita.
any more questions? Any doubts?
Hi, will you all be sending the steps? Because I made it now,
Yes.
but I think I've
Yes.
forgotten how to do it.
Depriya, put the PDF. I
Yes.
sent it to.
Yes, I'll put the PDF and
great.
I'll also be sending the link.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was great fun.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody. I hope you all
you.
enjoyed. Bye bye. And thank you for the
Thank you.
contribution to MAN, everybody.
Thank you, Apudi. It was a lot of fun. I'm just
Thank you.
clicking on
Thank
this
you.
bowl right now.
Thanks, Priya.
Thank you, Pooh.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
so
Bye
much.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, everybody. Neha, you want to shut the meeting? Stop the recording. Hi, hi, Kanak.
Hi.
Hi, Kanak Didi.
Hi, baby. How are you guys?
Yeah, good.
Apu.